Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage your recommendations on Substack. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to share other newsletters you enjoy with your subscribers and help grow the community around topics you care about. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you publish your newsletter, as this is where you'll be managing all your recommendations. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access all the tools for managing your publication. The dashboard gives you quick access to everything from analytics to settings, but today we're focusing specifically on recommendations. Still on the left side of the screen, locate and click on Recommendation. This section is dedicated entirely to managing which Substacks you want to promote to your audience. It's a powerful way to build connections with other writers and provide value to your readers by pointing them toward content they might enjoy. Now let's start by adding a recommendation. Click the button that says Add Recommendation. A search field will appear where you can type the name of the Substack you want to recommend. Once you've entered the newsletter's name, you'll also see a field asking you to input the reason for recommending it. This is your chance to tell your subscribers why you think they'll love this publication. After filling that in, click Add Recommendation to confirm. If you ever need to make changes to a recommendation you've already added, it's simple. Click the three dots beside the recommendation you want to update, then select Edit. This allows you to revise the reason you provided or make any other adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save to update it. Should you decide to remove a recommendation entirely, click the three dots beside it again, and this time select Remove. This will delete the recommendation from your list completely. At the bottom of the recommendations page, you'll notice several important settings that control how your recommendations are shared. The first one is a toggle button labeled Include in Recommendation Digests. When this is turned on, Substack will send your recommendations to your subscribers through occasional emails, giving them a curated list of newsletters you endorse. You can also toggle the button for Show Recommendations on homepage. Enabling this option displays the Substacks you recommend in the sidebar of your website, making them visible to anyone who visits your publication. And that's it. You've now learned how to add, edit, remove, and control the visibility of your recommendations on Substack. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.